Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Armstrong and welcome to my courtroom. So if you're interested in being a police officer, a lawyer, a judge, or anything in the legal related field, this is going to be a great class for you. However, let's say you're not. Let's just say you're not interested in a legal field. Why would you take this class? Well, it's because we're going to teach you rights, your inalienable rights as an American citizen, and how to interact with police officers. What happens if you are sued in civil court? What happens if you do go through a divorce one day? Statistically, everybody is going to have some type of interaction with the law, and our courts classes are going to teach you how to respond properly and the legal steps you need to protect yourself and your friends and family around you. In our Courts 1 class, we're going to go over the basic amendments, the 1st, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 8th. Why are those so important? Because you're going to be using those anytime with the law. So for example, what are the 5 elements of the First Amendment? What is the 4th Amendment? What is the 5th? Everyone knows, oh, I plead the 5th, but what really does that mean? The 6th Amendment, what is due process? What is a speedy trial? What is a fair trial? And the 8th, what is cruel and unusual punishment to you? Is it being locked in solitary confinement? Is it the death penalty? Or most people don't know this, it's the right to have bail that's not excessive. Why? Because if you have an excessive bail, most people can't afford to get out of jail. They'll lose their jobs, their families, and many other things. So the 8th Amendment does protect citizens as well as people suspected and convicted of crimes. Let's say for the 4th Amendment, for example, how many American citizens actually know what it is? Because it's one of the most important amendments you could possibly have. A lot of people are going to say, I'm not sure, or they're going to say, does the cops have to have a warrant to search my house? A lot of people are going to say, it's search and seizure. Yes, you're technically right, but what it really is the right of the people to be secure in their persons, places, homes, and effects against unreasonable and unwarranted government intrusion. What does that mean? Well, take my class and find out. Why? Because there's several exemptions to the 4th Amendment that we will cover. After you get a good basis of all the amendments, we're going to talk about case law, precedent law. What does that mean? Those are prior cases that are established in our law enforcement and our rulings in court today, such as Mapp versus Ohio, Terry versus Ohio, as well as all the precedent and legal cases. In Courts 2, it is basically a mock trial course. I'm going to teach you from the time of arrest all the way to a criminal sentencing, how to do an opening statement, how to cross-examine witnesses, and how to close, and you will be a good trial lawyer by the time you get out of Courts 2. Transportation, it's really not an issue. You can ride the bus or join us in class. For uniforms, for Courts 1, you don't need a uniform or to pay any fees for our contest. However, in Courts 2, you will need a suit and tie as well as some formal wear for females in court as well. The fees for that are usually about $15 for TPSA and about $25 for youth in government. During TPSA is an individual attorney, one-on-one with the judge, where youth in government is a murder case that is going to be working and established of a team of 6 to 8. Other than that, my name is Mr. Armstrong. You can contact me on my email at jarmstrong@ems-isd.net. You can join us at EMSISD@HCTC or on any of our Twitter apps. If you have any questions or information, please contact me anytime and I can answer any legal questions you may have. Thank you.